Hello! In the first of this multi-part set, we're going to show you how to create both types of Amazon manifests. The first being a seller-fulfilled manifest, and the second being the FBA Shipment Manifest. So let's get started. First, make sure you're in the correct Amazon account by clicking Switch Account, and then go into View Manifests. From here, you're going to see all of your current and previous manifests. You can continue working on those, or you can create a new one by selecting Add Manifest. From this point, you're going to be given your default name. It's always going to be the date, but you can change it if you need to. Your next option is your ship from address. This is going to be the ship from address that's listed in your Seller Central account on Amazon. You can then select a supplier and enter a purchase order number if you need to track these items for accounting purposes later. You can enter some SKU prefixes here if you're going to have SKUs auto-generated by SellerChamp. This next option here is going to delineate which type of manifest you create. If you want to go ahead and click create a FBA shipment to Amazon, you will select the first option here. If you're going to create a seller-fulfilled item to list on Amazon and fulfill yourself, select the second option. You'll notice when I did that the options for FBA disappeared below it. From this point forward, you would click Add Manifest and you would continue making your seller fulfilled listing. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to finish off the FBA part of this. So upon selecting the FBA as my fulfillment channel, I am given the next two options, which are the FBA Shipments Workflow. If I select the first option here, all of my FBA shipment items will be added to new shipments as I scan them. Box content info will be generated, and I will be able to start selecting my shipping plans while I'm scanning my items. If I decide though that I want to go ahead and do all of my scanning first and then create my shipments, I'll select the second option. You're still going to be able to create your shipping plans and label and pack all of your items. You'll just do it after you scan everything. The next option is going to be the label and prep of your items. If you want to let Amazon label and prep all your items when possible, you can select the first option. There is usually an extra charge for that, so many people vie to go ahead and print their own labels. If you're going to print your own labels, you move on to the next item, which is the FBA labels themselves. You can choose to print them for all of the items you scan, which would include the expiration dates that are required on some items. You can print them only if they're required by the FBA, or you can choose not to print them at all. You're still going to be able to print them when we move to the label and pack section of this FBA shipment when we create it, so you'll still be able to print those labels later on if you choose not to. And then this last option here is to auto-upload this box content information to Amazon using SellerChamp. So we can do this ourselves, or we can go ahead and manually upload it in Seller Central. There again is usually an extra charge in there. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and let SellerChamp do it for us. So once we've selected all these items, we're ready to go ahead and add manifest. So you click the Add Manifest button and start scanning. And I will show you that in the next part of this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to your SellerChamp YouTube channel for more exclusive content.